Hi, Rachelle here with Keller Williams Legacy One Realty, and I am standing out in front of my beautiful listing in Victoria Estates neighborhood in Queen Creek. This home is within walking distance to the marketplace, which has a movie theater, lots of dining and shopping, so it's a wonderful location. The home is a single story, it's super spacious, it's over 2,300 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath plus a den. Total open concept living, and it was a former model home, so it's got tons of upgrades. The home, based on the price, also may qualify for down payment assistance, so if you have questions about that, reach out to me. If you can't make my open house, but maybe would like to schedule a private showing, please don't hesitate to reach out to see this home or other homes in the area. You can contact me by phone, email, text, or even just message me on social media. The address is 20250 East Escalante Road in Queen Creek in Victoria Estates. Hope to see you at my open house. If you can't make it, that's okay. Let me know. Have a great day.